Let's talk front loading washing machines. That seal around the door that gets yucky and full of mold and mildew quickly, we're going to focus on that. Join me and I will give you the tips and tricks you need to know how to clean your front loading washing machine. Step 1. Use white distilled vinegar or a vinegar cleaner and a soft cotton cloth. Clean the door sill inside and out. I'm talking get in all the creases by pulling that seal out and cleaning inside of it. You'll be surprised how much mold can grow on the inside of that gasket. Immediately after cleaning the gasket with vinegar, the seal with vinegar, wipe it clean again with another cloth. Grab a wet rag and just re-wipe that entire seal. This prevents the vinegar from breaking down the plastic gasket or the rubber gasket. Then go ahead and dry that seal really good with another cotton cloth. This will ensure that the vinegar just doesn't deteriorate the rubber. Step 2. Fill the detergent area with 3/4 cup vinegar or the vinegar cleaner. Set the washer to a heavy setting and super hot water, the hottest water setting that your washer can do. Then go ahead and start your cycle. After your first cycle, I want you to run a second cycle with an extra rinse, just to ensure that the vinegar has been totally removed from your washing machine drum. Step 3, remove the filters, all the soap and bleach dispensers. Wash those in the sink with just some regular warm soapy water. Rinse, dry, and then put them back. Step 4, get another soft cotton cloth and some vinegar cleaner. This time you're going to clean all of the outside of your washing machine. The front door, the sides, the back, the top. You're just going to wipe the entire outside of the washer down with vinegar. And that's it. After you do those things, your front loading washer will be clean, fresh, and mildew free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily videos about organization and cleaning. Share this video with all your friends, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.